Why? 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 Hey, Daddy, I smacked these hoes. I stuck pee in some Cheerios. I got a pencil in my nose and I beat my diaper everywhere I go. Like a hump, like a bunny. Poop my pants and now it's running. I go. You think that's funny? I stuff my diaper with all my money. Jimmy, why? Why? Jimmy, don't do that. Why? Why? Jimmy, you're raping. Why? Why? Jimmy, don't move your pants. Why? Why? Not meow solo. Oh, Jimmy, stop it! Why? Got a helmet on top of my head. Scrape my pee-pee until it was red. Eat green beans, I'd rather be dead. It's 10 o'clock and I'm ready for bed. Hey, Daddy, I just showed you how to poop on the track. So, I'm going to bed. I got my carrots on, got my bunny suit on. I'm ready for bed.
Wow! How are we? Oh, the little monkey's going psycho.